Hello, sir. For the part one, first question. First, a model is built using yeah, a model or the libraries are imported which are required. Then a SVC model is created, and then the accuracy through that model is tested. Once that is done, the K-neighbors classifier is also imported, and the accuracy using this model is calculated for the text classification. Uh, for for the first two, a classification report is printed, which is here for the for both of the questions, and for the next part, uh, the TFIDF vectorization parameter, we used bigram, and we have seen the accuracy uh, generated over here. And for the last question, we use stop words English, uh, and the vector, the TDF vector is initialized and the accuracy is tested. And for the second question, firstly, using this URL, the data is extracted, and using the library called Beautiful Soup. Then the text is extracted by in the form of paras, and all these are stored in a file called input file. uh, and the tokenization is applied where the paragraphs are split into sentence, which is called sentence tokenization, and words, which is called word tokenization. And it's also divided into their parts of speech. And stemming is applied where the words are shortened. Limonization, which is also very similar to stemming, is also applied. And the words are converted into the roots. And named entity recognition is also applied over here. And the frequencies of this words is plotted using the frequency distribution library, which is imported from NLTK. You can see that values here. This is the count curve. This is a curve plot. And for the next part two, the part two, in the first all the Keras libraries are imported, and then the diabetes CSV file is read, and the data is now divided into the training and test data. More dense layers are added to the existing code, and we also add the validation data. Then we see the accuracy of this model, and we also plot the accuracy of the training and validation for the above problem. And for the second question in the part two, the process is all the same, but here we used breast cancer instead of diabetes. Here also, we added the dense layers and validation data to that fit method, and the accuracy of the training and validation plot is shown here. And for this part two, third question, we normalize the data before feeding it to the model, and we're gonna check if there is an improve in this accuracy. For this, we imported the standard scalar library from the scalar pre-processing. Then we follow the same method, same process which I have done for the above two problems to calculate the accuracy for this third question. Yeah, and thank you.